Hi, this is Maria. Welcome to mariascraftroom.com. Today I'm going to show you how I download images and files from Etsy, and also how I save them into PhotoRoll. I keep all of my images in PhotoRoll, but you can save them anywhere. You could also save them into Dropbox or Drive. The process is going to be very similar. So let's get started. First thing to remember is when you're shopping from Etsy is you have to go to the website. Do not go to the Etsy app if you're downloading. Go to Safari, www.etsy.com, okay, log in, and you're going to click You, Purchases and Reviews, and it will show you your purchase history. I'm going to download. That will bring you to your downloaded files. I have 2 planner stickers and 2 Procreate brushes that I've purchased. So I'm going to download these one by one. Click Download, yes, and you will see this little down arrow showing me what has downloaded. I'm going to do that for each one. And they will all populate here. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my file folder, and you will see that they all came over. I've got my 2 Procreate files and 2 image files. So let me go ahead and show you how to install Procreate files, and then we'll go into pictures and how I sort them into photo albums. Select the first one. I'm going to share. I'm going to save it into Procreate. Okay, it opened up Procreate for me. I'm going to add a screen size new canvas. And if I click my pen tool, I will see that at the very top, it has imported the stamp brushes for me. That first one is January. I'm going to just tap on my screen, and there is that month. If I want it smaller, just adjust your pen size. Okay, so that brush set comes with January through December of 21 in Sunday Start. Let's go back, and we'll download the other one. Share, find Procreate, and now I will have my Monday Start brushes. Let's see what March looks like, and that's Monday Start. So brush stamps are very handy. You just literally tap and there they are, and that's how you add them. If you added something by mistake or you duplicated some files, you can simply tap and delete, rename, do whatever you want with that. Okay, so that is Procreate files. Let's click Done. So if you want to move these into Drive or into Dropbox, I'm going to show you that, and then I'll show you how to put them into PhotoRoll like I like to work. So I'm going to select my 2 images, and I'm going to move, and then it asks me where I want to go. We're going to do iCloud Drive first. Select a folder, or you can create a folder. Okay, I already have one called Stickers, so we're going to move them in there. And now they are gone from my downloads folder. I'm going to go to Drive, and there's my 2 files. Let's move them back to downloads. So here's where we started. I'm going to select those and move to Dropbox instead. Again, you can create a folder, and I'm going to click Copy. Now Dropbox will put them at the top. Okay. The thing with Dropbox and Cloud as well is you can tap and change the name of all of your stickers. I have so many that I don't change my names. I just leave them however it is they come over. But you can with Drive, and you can with Dropbox as well. Okay, so let's go back to my downloads. I'm going to move them right into PhotoRoll, so let me select and share. Save images, and those moved into my PhotoRoll. They'll be the last 2. So from here I'm going to select and click the little up arrow. I'm going to save them to an album. It gives me the option to add a new album or add to an existing album. So I've added to an existing album. I'm going to now go look at it in my planner stuff, and if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see my new stickers here at the bottom. That one and that one. Now let's say, see, I like to have all of my stickers in one folder because I like to see everything in one spot. That's just the way my mind operates. But if I wanted to sort out all my weeklies or all my dailies into another album, I can do that. Let's go ahead and make an album for weeklies, and I'll show you how it's done. I'm going to select, I'm going to find all my weeklies, weekly, 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 anything that might look like a weekly. Once I've selected them all, I'm going to go to the up arrow, add to album, and I'm going to create a new album and call it Weeklies. Save. So now I've created a new album in my photo roll called Weeklies, and that way I can find easily only my weeklies. I can do that the same way with all my dailies. You can group them by color, you can group them by type, you can group them by artist. You can reorder your files so you can stick them together. So they're still all together in this file, but now I've made a new folder just for my weeklies. It's however is convenient to you. I like working in photo roll because I like to drag and drop my images, and I find that working in photos works easier and I can work on any platform. I started in GoodNotes, changed my mind, went to NoteShelf, and I wasn't stuck in GoodNotes by being stuck in a sticker book. By having your files either in photo roll or in Dropbox or some other area like that, then you're not stuck if you happen to switch apps. So that's why I do it. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to like if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.